The omega-3 in flax and walnuts is technically family, but your body converts it into the useful forms at a miserable rate, single-digit percentages, so plant sources barely cover you here. Omega-3. This one won't make you stronger this week, but it probably matters more for the next 40 years of your life than half this list. These are essential fats. Your body can't manufacture them, so you either eat them or you go without. The two that count are EPA and DHA packed into oily fish like salmon and sardines. The omega-3 in flax and walnuts is technically family, but your body converts it into the useful forms at a miserable rate, single-digit percentages, so plant sources barely cover you here. Why does a fat matter so much? Because every single one of your cells is wrapped in a membrane built from fat, and that membrane isn't a dead wall, it's a living gate that decides what gets in and out. The type of fat you eat literally changes what that gate is built from. Eat mostly stiff, processed fats, and your membranes get rigid. Eat omega-3 and DHA slots into the wall and keeps it fluid and flexible, which is why your brain, the fattiest organ you own, is desperate for the stuff. EPA plays the other role. It's the raw material your body turns into signals that calm inflammation down. The problem is balance. Modern diets are drowning in omega-6 from seed oils, and omega-6 builds the signals that crank inflammation up. You need both, but the ratio has gone completely lopsided, and that quiet chronic inflammation is what grinds down your joints and arteries over decades. If you eat oily fish 2 or 3 times a week, you're likely covered. If you're not, and most people aren't, a fish oil delivering around 1 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA daily gets it done. One warning, these fats oxidize easily, so a cheap rancid fish oil that smells like a dumpster is doing the opposite of its job. Should you buy it? If you don't eat fish regularly, yes, one of the smartest cheap buys here. If you're already eating salmon a few times a week, you don't need it.